What's up, guys? Got another hot sauce video for you. Today we have a classic with a twist. Alright, we have Cholula, which is super popular. This is a very common hot sauce that you'll find at a Mexican restaurant. This is what is like the chosen sauce to just leave right there. At least most of the places I've ever been before. But this one is their chili lime version. So Cholula, yeah, it's okay. Run of the mill, you know, middle of the road, nothing super special, not gross at all. I mean, I've used it plenty of times in the past. I don't use it at home just because you guys know I'm constantly trying different hot sauces. I don't have like really a go-to, you know, so to speak. But I've had Cholula, it was fine. I love lime. I love chili. We'll see how this chili lime version is. All right, what's cool about Cholula, they always have that wood topper. All right, we got our hot sauce knife here. And we're going to dig in and see what this is like. Oh, got to cut that a little better. All right. There we go. So, will the Cholula chili lime be better than the original? All right, totally forgot to read the ingredients here for you. I didn't try it yet. I just, I'll edit this out. But calories are 0. Ingredients, water, salt, peppers. The peppers include, let's see, guajillo peppers. At least I think that's how it's pronounced. Guajillo, and then arbol, and piquin peppers. Then there's also sugar, tomato powder, natural flavoring, xanthan gum, yeast extract, citric acid, apple cider vinegar, spices, which include paprika and garlic powder. And that's it. Product in Mexico. But imported by McCormick. Alright, so McCormick Spices and stuff own Cholula. Alright, now we can get back into this. Now this, see, the thing is, like, when you're talking about like run-of-the-mill hot sauces, what's so common is white vinegar and cayenne peppers. All right, that's like the go-to for like so many hot sauces, all the cheap little hot sauces you get around Christmas time, all that stuff. Crystal hot sauce, Tabasco sauce. I mean, that's what that is. Cholula does have something different in the ingredients, and the flavor is completely different. It smells like it's tomato-based. I can definitely smell the tomato, and I can smell the lime. So that's what it smells like to me, is tomato lime paste, essentially. But anyway, got a little spoon here. We're going to go in and see what this guy is tasting like. All right. Cheers. Okay. So, it's not bad. To me, it has a tomato flavor. It definitely has lime. Like this one, it has a lime flavor, but you know what's really standing out a lot is chili powder. Not like chili flavor, not fresh chilies, chili powder specifically. It's a little bit smoky, but it's really heavy on the chili powder taste. If you cook with chili powder and you're the person that puts a lot of extra in, this might be your hot sauce you like. Unfortunately for me, I like the lime addition, but it's not super special. I actually don't like that it's more chili forward than the original. So it's kind of middle of the road, you know. It's not like a, you know, I would certainly use it. This would be good on maybe eggs or something like that, but not a fan, which sucks because the artwork is beautiful, the bottle's beautiful, the little wood top is beautiful, it's cool, it's cheap. This is like a, you know, $5 or sub $5 hot sauce from any grocery store, so it's common, it's available. But yeah, it's just, it's not hitting like great, you know what I mean? Just kind of blah. I don't know, the chili powder is putting me off to it, I'll say that. I love the lime. The lime is fantastic, I like that addition. But the chili powder, it's just a little much to me. That's all, a little heavy on the chili powder. So if you've had this one specifically, let me know what you think of it, and let me know in general. Do you like Cholula? Not so much. Like I said, I'll use it at the restaurant. I'm not super thrilled about it. I'm not excited about it. It's kind of boring. But I do think The original is better. I would prefer, like if you're at a Mexican restaurant, you could probably have access to a lime. I would rather have original Cholula and a squirt of fresh lime juice than this. Does that make sense? So that's where I stand with this particular hot sauce. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video.